Bienvenue, welcome back to The French Kiss Cook. Today we are going to make a raclette sandwich. I'm going to be making two sandwiches, so I'm going to want to butter the outside of each slice. And then we're going to grill them in a large frying pan. I'm going to start by placing the two top pieces of the sandwiches that I've buttered into the frying pan to get them a nice golden color. And once they're nice and golden, I'm going to remove them from the pan. And for the bottom part of the sandwich, I've buttered these slices as well, so the butter will be on the outside. And then I'm going to spread some Dijon on these two slices of bread. And then going to place my ham on top of the Dijon mustard. So here I have a nice rosemary ham for this sandwich. And then the other sandwich, I'm just going to use a regular deli ham. And then on top of the ham, I'm going to place a couple slices of the raclette cheese. And now you're going to want to melt that beautiful cheese over the meat, just like a traditional raclette. So into the pan goes the bottom of the two sandwiches, and we're going to give them a couple minutes in the pan. You can see that the sandwich is starting to take some color on the bottom, so I'm going to transfer the pan under the broiler. The cheese has beautifully melted, so I'm just carefully going to take them out of the pan. To finish off these raclette sandwiches, I'm going to cut a few cornichons. You might find them at the grocery store. They're just like those smaller pickles, usually called gherkins. And then we're going to finish it off with some arugula. This is going to give it a nice peppery crunch. And that's it. We'll take the top pieces of the bread that we've grilled ahead of time and place them on top. And it's ready to enjoy. This sandwich is such an amazing way to enjoy a nice raclette flavor any day of the week. Thanks for watching. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.